Hello, good evening. Welcome into my channel, Infinite Possibility. This is a time that we as human beings, we have to wake up. For we are just living as if all our reality is only flesh and blood. We are only living, running, fighting, only in the survival process. Life does not end in the survival process. We must go beyond the survival. We are living as flesh and blood, and we think that all the reality is only psychological. That's not true. You are living in the matrix, something that has been designed by some people in some way. But if you don't put your eyes enough to watch how things goes, if you don't question everything that you learn as truth, you're never going to get up. Life is not what we are defining it right now. There is a way of living it. There is a way of seeking, looking beyond what has been presented to us since the time we were born. And this is the air, this is the time that every human being must wake up, dive deep with more questions, sensible questions that will bring us into deep level of our being. We are not just flesh and blood as they taught us, but we are being beyond the physical body. And it is time for everyone to wake up, to seek himself, to do the effort that is supposed to be done, to learn about who we really are. Because this world is not telling us what is the truth. And for you to go beyond that, you must start seeking, start questioning everything that you have been taught from the beginning of your childhood up to now. I'm talking to the new generation, the youth. We, the youth, especially. We are just going through life blindly. We don't question things enough. We don't try to understand how life operates. We don't try to understand how things goes, how the nature works. And that's the danger for all of us. And this is the time for everyone to wake up, to dive deep within ourselves, to find the key to who you are. We must know. Try and do your best to know yourself. Self-knowing is not going somewhere. It's not going out of who you are saying. Everything is within you. Everything is within this body. This body have memory that connects with the whole universe. And if you know how to carry it enough, you understand what life is and what life is supposed to be beyond the physical reality. Let's stand up. Let's wake up. This is the time to do what is best to do as human beings. We must go beyond what has been taught to us. Don't just limit yourself. Don't just say, yes, I'm a believer. No. Time to start knowing. Time to wake up. Time to dive deep within ourselves and find the true reality. The God, everything, the source of life, the creation, the creator, and all those things is not separated from you, is within you. Time to wake up. Welcome to my channel, Infinite Possibility. This is the time to wake up. My generation, I'm waiting for you. This is your time to wake up and do what is supposed to be done as the real human being. To the youth, I'm speaking to you. Wake up, dive deep, question everything that have been taught to you as truth. Time to wake up. Let go. The journey is far, but all together will make it become a reality. Infinite possibility. Every human being have the possibility of being his great version, and you can do it too. Thank you. Bye.